Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function all. Welcome back to our Python programming series. Today, we're delving into a built-in function that's pivotal for working with collections, the all function. This concise yet powerful function helps in evaluating the truthiness of multiple items simultaneously. Let's unravel how all functions and how it can be utilized in your Python projects. The all function checks whether all items in an iterable, like list, tuples, or dictionaries, are true. The syntax is simple: all with iterable as the argument, where iterable can be any collection of elements that Python can loop over. A key concept to understand here is the idea of truthiness in Python. In this context, truthy means that an item evaluates to true in the Boolean context. Most values are considered truthy except for several falsy values, such as false, none, zero, and empty collections. Why use all? This function is perfect for scenarios where you need to ensure that a set of conditions are all true. It's extremely handy in data validation, processing multiple conditions in control structures, and ensuring compliance with criteria across datasets. The all function is particularly useful when you're working with complex collections of data where every element's validity impacts the execution of operations. It's also ideal in setups where failing even one condition should stop or alter the process, such as in data processing pipelines or during initial system checks before an operation. Let's see the all function in action with a few examples. This first example, we check if all elements are true. Next, we have a list of numbers, and we're checking whether a condition is true for all of the numbers. Here, we're using all with a list that has mixed truthy and falsy values. Note that if any one of them are false, the output of the all function is false. These examples demonstrate how all can be used to quickly check the truthiness of various collections. Whether you're confirming that all numbers are positive or ensuring no falsy values are present in a list, all provides a succinct way to do this. That's a wrap on Python's all function. By integrating all into your programming toolkit, you can enhance both the reliability and readability of your data checks and conditional logic. Keep enhancing your Python skills with us. For more insights and coding strategies, make sure to subscribe.